So if this is your first time visiting this channel, you're welcome. I've already made a video about having a high RPM and growing your subscribers and views, so you can check the videos of my channel. I've already made a video about that. So if today is your first time visiting this channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out the video I've made on how to grow your RPM if you are not into folktale niche. So in this channel, I make videos on how to grow on YouTube. So if you visit for the first time, have in mind that this channel here we unlock your YouTube secrets for all creators. So in this video, you will discover the hidden formula behind having high RPM. So are you tired of your folktale videos barely getting any traction and wondering why your video RPM is stuck? Or maybe it's moving slowly in a slow lane. Today I'm about to review the exact strategies to skyrocket your folktale channel's RPM and views. How to skyrocket it, even if you're just getting started, or you already have subscribers, or you already monetized. So this video is also for you. So stay tuned to the end of this video. So I'll be revealing everything on how to start growing your RPM and your channel views. So like I said before in the previous video I did, the video was about other niches, but today's video is specifically for folktale content creators. So if you're into folktale, or you're planning on joining the folktale niche, stay tuned to this video. Stick around, because I will be revealing the insider tips. So I'll be reviewing the insider tips that are going to transform your channel. Not just transform your channel overnight, and you start making a lot of money with your content creation on folktale niche. So stay tuned and stick with me. So let's kick things off by diving into what RPM really is and why it's the secret weapon for your YouTube success. So RPM, or revenue per mile, which is the same as the RPM, is the key metric that tells you how much you earn for every 1,000 views, whether you are a newbie or an established folktale storyteller. So optimizing your videos for higher RPM can be a game changer. So if you don't know that, how to keep that in mind, that's the main thing. So I'll break down actionable steps to boost your RPM from start. So I'll show you everything about boosting your RPM, from smart content strategies to leveraging the right keywords and audience engagement techniques that keep viewers glued to your mesmerizing folktale videos. So now let's talk about the views aspect of it. So because the views is more, or rather more views mean more opportunities to monetize if you know you're monetized. And I will share 3 proven strategies and tactics to drive massive traffic to your folktale videos. Even if you are monetized and you're already making money, more views means more money. So if you don't know that, I have to always take note of that more views means more money. So your thumbnail is the first impression. So use vibrant images and bold text that sparks curiosity when uploading your videos. And second thing you have to do is to engage your audience immediately. So whenever your audience drops a comment on your video, you have to engage with them immediately. So the first 15 seconds are very crucial to start with a jaw-dropping folktale twist that hooks your viewers around to watch your video to the very end, and instantly start making them eager to watch to the end of your videos whenever you're making your folktale videos. And the third thing to do is to leverage on SEO and trending keywords, that's search engine optimization and trending keywords. So try to integrate high-ranking keywords and long tail search terms in your videos whenever you're uploading, if you're into the folktale niche. So now let me talk about optimizing your thumbnail text. You know, if you're already a starter in the folktale niche, you're no longer in the same journey like the person that just beginning. So even if you're a starter, you can build a profitable folktale channel. I will show you how to diversify your revenue streams, from ad revenue to affiliate marketing as well. Everything is incorporated in this video. So I've created content before, like I said earlier in starting of the video, But now I'll show you how to create content that not only entertain but also convert viewers into loyal fans and paying customers as well. So imagine tuning your passion. Maybe you like telling stories. Maybe your niche is kid stories, or you tell horror movies, but AI generated. That's a YouTube automation thing. So Folktale is a good one. Imagine turning your passion for folktales into a treasure trove of income with the right mix of engaging content and smart monetization techniques. You can finally see those RPM numbers, so they will begin to soar. So, if you are ready to revolutionize your Folktale channel with these secret strategies, you can boost your RPM again and gain more views and turn your storytelling into profitable venture. Every great YouTube creator started somewhere, and today might just be a breakthrough for coming to my channel. So let me know in the comments what your biggest challenges as a Folktale YouTuber is, and if you are hungry for more insider tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you will never miss or they will never upload new videos. And give this video a thumbs up, smash the like button if you found this strategies helpful, and share this video with your fellow creators who need to boost their RPM as well. So don't forget to check out the video. Like I've told you, I've made a video on how to grow your revenue, how to grow your RPM, how to grow your views, website to buy, how to use timers, how to make your use viral, how to set up the ads. So check out the video, and thank you for watching, and let's unlock those high RPM numbers together. So make sure your Folktale channel is hitting big and making you big money. So alright, so I said I'm gonna show us this stuff I did and what it turned out to be, because I just tried it lately and it's working. So I decided, okay, it would be nice to share, because we've already have a lot of content creators in Nigeria who have got their YouTube channels and monetized. So I tried this stuff out and it worked. I said, okay, I'm gonna share what I did that worked out for me. So let me start by the recent videos I tried it out with and what it looked like. Okay, so this is this very video now. This video has gotten a lot of views, but there's a way to get the views, which I'm also going to be sharing. Very cheap and organic and converting. So this video I made 1.5k in revenue, and you can see the RPM is $219. Advertisers are paying $1,069. RPM 219. So this 7.2k views I already made 1.5k dollars. Not just this other one too. They say, some person say entertainment niche doesn't make money, entertainment doesn't make money. It's a lie. Entertainment niche makes more money. So let's see this. Check this out and see. This video already made $825 and the RPM is $122. Advertisers are paying $866. So I said, okay, I'm gonna share so that you guys will see it all.